And while Parkersburg works to fix out how it handles waste, another local community is focused on how it handles people in the justice system. A new Wirt County satellite office designed to bring treatment and monitoring closer to home for rural clients, opening a new office in Wirt County so people don't have to travel to Parkersburg to get help. Director Hernando Escandon says the idea came from Wirt County itself, after local officials reached out asking for help. Though the DRC serves Wirt County residents as is, Wirt County clients currently have to travel to the center's Parkersburg headquarters. Escandon says that has kept participation low among rural clients who don't always have access to reliable transportation or alternative services closer to home.
That has been a tremendous barrier, quite honestly. I don't believe that there are full-time outpatient service providers for particularly substance abuse counseling in that area, and in particular none that have expertise in providing counseling services to criminal justice involved clients.
The Day Report Center is an alternative sentencing program offering assessment, treatment, drug testing, and monitoring for people who'd otherwise serve jail time. Wirt County will pay roughly $20,000 for the expansion under an agreement approved yesterday by the Wirt County Commission. Escandon says the first step is renovating space at the Wirt County Magistrate Court building. There's no firm timeline yet, and he says some Wirt County staff may have to commute there temporarily while the office builds up local hires.